Narayan. Hello everyone, I'm Christina Pradhan and this is my story of how my life has changed for the good.
Hi guys, I'm Ashmit Patel and this message goes out to Mr. Nikhil Narayan. Congratulations on that. I commend you on all the good work you've been doing. You have my blessings as well always.
Hi there, this is for Nikhil Narayan from Kolkata. I believe you're doing a wonderful job inspiring young students, motivating them, pushing them towards their goal.
Hey everyone, here is a small message to Mr. Nikhil Narayan. Thank you so much, sir. My life is totally changed after I did this course.
Hi, if you're a fresher and you're facing this problem that you're not getting a job due to lack of experience, and obviously you're not getting experience because nobody is offering you a job without experience, then this is a very important video. It's just made for you. Listen carefully. We can solve all your problems. If you're an experienced person, say you're working in a company and you're worried about another big problem which is there in software, say you're working on a technology which is old and you're not getting the opportunity to learn and work on the new technologies, which can end up, you can become obsolete in the future. So you're scared of becoming obsolete because you're away from the new technologies. We have the perfect solution for you. If you are a person who's working somewhere in a non-technical job, you wanted to get into programming, but maybe you're now working in a call center or maybe as a teacher and you want to get back into programming, we have the perfect solution for you. The solution, we call it the Heroes program. So, but let me explain. See, the problem which is there, all of you, if you had knowledge and experience in the latest technology, your problem would have been solved, right? But why you're not getting? Because obviously the situation is there. Nobody is giving you the opportunity to work. Now, some people take the shortcut. Some people do that. Almost like, I believe around 30% people in India, they have some kind of fake experience in the CVs, right? We will never recommend you going for that. This can actually, end up spoiling your career. If you maybe buy some fake experience certificate, there are people who provide. If you buy some certificates like that, there are problems. What are the problems? See, one is it's completely illegal, obviously. Second is while you get the experience on paper, you're not getting the real knowledge which should be associated with that. So if you have to perform, your performance is not going to be good. Another problem which happens is that if the company goes for strict background verification, you fall in big trouble, right? Because all these companies, these companies who provide fake experience certificates, they don't last long also. So absolutely not recommended going for that. So is there a solution? Is there something better? We have a very ethical and we have a real system, what I'm calling as a hero system. What is a hero system? The heroes is like the acronym for high-end reliable open source developer, right? How this works is that, look, you don't really have to do a job to gain experience. You can also gain experience, valid legal experience, loved by the HR managers if you work on open source projects. Plus, the great thing about this experience is that you work on quality projects, you work on project based, not just copy paste services jobs, right? You work on high quality coding. Your code and your experience is easily verifiable. People can check it because you know very well in open source, anyone can go download the code, look at the credentials. So any code which you have written, your name, your comment will be there, right? So yes. So how we are planning to approach is, see, number one, you join us. If you join us, then first we are going to find out how much you already know and which technology you want to get into. If you're ready, we'll put you into the projects directly. Otherwise, we'll offer you training. Now you start working. Give us approximately 1 hour every day, maybe like 5 to 6 hours in a week. Give us that much. We'll give you jobs online. We'll give you, start working on that. We will give you any guidance which is required for the completing the job. Apart from that, we'll give standard, complete trainings also. Apart from that, you will also get this opportunity not only to, just write code, to collaborate with other people. See, one of the biggest skills which is required to become successful is people skills. If you want to really make good money in software, just knowing programming will not do. Because see, if you alone write a program, now how big will you write? Just a small code. But if you do it as a team, if you become a person who can work with a lot of different kind of people, different background people, then only you can work on a big project. You need a big team for that, and then only you make good money. So we'll have this opportunity for you where you'll be talking with people pan-India. We'll be having small groups, like even WhatsApp group you'll have groups where you will be giving presentation, you'll be given the opportunity to talk in front of other people. Other people will be teaching you also. It's like a complete community. It's like a helpful community. So yes, if you get into this, it's not just that you're writing program and we're giving experience. It's much more than that, right? See, how these things started, like In America or in the Western countries, you will find they have already been doing this. We are a bit late in India. The culture in India is not, majority is services. Like we don't have many project-based company. Maybe that is the reason. But whatever. Now is the time. Now is the time. And what are the benefits? See, say if you look at an average open source developer, they typically earn around 20 times. Say, look at the average salary of an Indian, suppose in PHP guy. You'll find the average salary of a PHP guy is like 3 lakh, 4 lakh rupees. Look at an open source developer who's working in PHP in USA, you'll find it's like $100,000. Like almost 20 times. So there are these open source developers who are earning 20 times more than our standard developers. Are they using some different programming language? No, it's the same PHP. Do their if condition for loop differ? Are their variable names special? No. They are writing code using the same compiler, same IDE, same tools, they read from the same books, yet there is something. What is this? Get into open source, you'll understand. One of the most important things is quality. It's not only what you do, it's how good you are in that. Right? You can be selling tea for 5 rupees, you can be selling tea for 100 rupees. What is the difference? One word, quality. You can be writing code for 5 rupees, you can be writing code for 100 rupees. What's the difference? Quality. When you get into open source, you get quality, right? So companies love. So in America, what happened, like they had these freshers who did not have, suppose, a job. So what they did was they started to work on open source while other Indians were sitting at home, wondering about jobs, preparing for banking examination and all. These people were writing code. They understood something very, very basic. You know, Dennis Ritchie said that the only way to learn a new programming language is by coding in it, is by writing programs in it, right? So in America, what they do is, if they don't have a job, they sit at home, work on open source projects. While other people are losing time, they are gaining knowledge and experience. And then they apply in companies, they show, okay, look, during this time, I have worked on these projects. So what we will be doing, we will be giving you valid experience certificates because you have worked on the open source projects. So if you join today, maybe for next 5 months you work for us. So 5 months, we have given you the experience certificate. Plus, you can make money also. Plus, we have this option of making money because there are multiple ways. If you're doing good work, then we'll give you real projects, right? We have freelancing projects also from which you can make good money. There are other ways using which you can make money from our platform also. But it's not about money actually. It's about, see, in India, open source has not been utilized. We can make India much better in terms of programming and software. Indians are great. I don't think there is any country in the world who can match the quality of Indian programmers. But the problem is that majority of them are outside India, right? So why can't we do it here? We have very good talented people all throughout India. Let's do it here. Let's work together. Let's help make India a much better, hub of technology, not just a services industry that we are. Let's make India much better in the terms of product and benefit. You all make money. You can be a person who's super rich. See, when you talk to people like, or you think about people like maybe Bjarne Rostrup, right? So Bjarne Rostrup is the guy who invented C++. He used to say that if you are a real programmer, you should be knowing at least 5 languages. We don't have that kind of thinking here. We think that, no, if I know Java, I'm a Java developer. No, why? You can be working on Java. Why don't you start working with us on artificial intelligence and Python side by side? What's wrong with it? It's actually a good thing, right? Bill Gates used to say, surround yourself with that kind of people who challenge you, who teach you, who push you. So you need to join a community. Just in a company, you know what happens, right? In a company, basically, it's like everybody pulling each other's legs. You need to join a community where you can be helping each other, just like in a college you had the friends. And we have exactly that. So we are helping each other, training each other, teaching each other, and pushing each other to become better programmers. And what better than that, right? So you can actually, if you join us, the worst case which can happen is that you just simply gain some experience and use this to get a job in an MNC. Best case, you can become a great programmer. You can become a very good programmer. We're giving you a platform. See, there are so many people who are super rich using software. How did they become super rich? Okay, they had the same hardware. See, they had the same blood, bones, kidney. When I was starting my career, I was a big loser, right? Nobody could have said that I will become this successful as such. But then, people used to say that if I could run a pan shop, that would have been enough for me. But no, things changed, right? I learned something. I learned some secrets, like great things I've learned. See, think of anyone, any Satya Nadella Sundar Pichai, any Bill Gates, any person you think is successful. They have the same blood, they have the same bones, they have the same kidney, they have the same stomach. Their heart does not beat more than your heart. Absolutely no. Their eyes cannot see further than your eyes. Their ears cannot hear more than your ears. So how can their brain run more? It does not run more. They just have the simple, they have the different software. It's the same hardware. Two computers with the same hardware, same RAM, same computer, same processor. So Bill Gates has the same processor as you have. Bill Gates has the same, let's say, power supply as you have, or the RAM, or the whatever you want to call it. But he has a different software. Satya Nadella has a different software. And what does this software, where does it come from? It comes from people, If your father was Dhirubhai Ambani, you would have been an Ambani because father would have given you the software. If your father was maybe Amitabh Bachchan, you would be an actor. The same thing. I know lots of people who had a great talent in them, could have become great programmers, but they did not have the right guidance. Out here, we have a platform for you. You are intelligent. You have a computer, you have an internet connection, you have the knowledge. What else do you need? You need a platform, right? Without a platform, how will you survive? How will you do something big? So this open source platform that we have created is just for people like you. So I would like to come and invite, come join us. It will be fun, right? What do you have to lose? Absolutely nothing. Worst case, gain experience and use it for getting a job in a company, completely legal, ethical. And best case, you can do something great, right? See, I remember a quotation by Confucius. I really love that thing. And he used to say that if you do what you love to do, you will never have to work a day in your life. So come, we are those people who are into programming, not just for money, because we love programming. And if you join us, you will also fall in love with programming. And then who knows then where you can reach. Thank you.
Has the thought ever occurred to you that had I had a mentor or guru or teacher who would help me or guide me to choose my career, it would indeed be a cakewalk? I think you must have, right? Even the same question bothered me until I met Mr. Nikhil Narayan. Hello everyone, this is Christina Pradhan, and this is my story of how my life has changed for the good. In Sir, I found a true guru, the one that I was desperately searching for. He helped me, he guided me to see things in a new perspective that I had never seen before. Sir always has my best interest in mind and helps me to reflect on what I am good at and enjoy doing, all the while honing my skills and brushing my talents. So I would like to thank you for everything that you have done for me, for motivating me, for supporting me, for guiding me in every aspect of my life. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Actually, पहले जब मैंने निखिल से मीट किया, मेरे को लगा he is very intelligent and is intelligent not only for this technology. Apart from the technology, it seems to me उन्होंने बहुत कुछ जाना and सब कुछ हम लोग को सिखाता है very simple. अगर आपको बस कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं हो, हाउ टू बिल्ड योर कॉन्फिडेंस, कैसे बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, क्या करना पड़ेगा, उन्होंने हम लोगों को सिखाया. आई एम वर्किंग इन अ कंपनी एज अ टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर एंड फॉर द लास्ट 13 or more than 15 years in IT industry. But जब निखिल से मैंने मिला है, मेरे को लगा he is a true teacher.
Hello friends, thank you Nikhil sir. Today is my great day as because मैं यहाँ पे आई, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. आज के टाइम पे हम लोग को कुछ भी सीखना होता है, जैसे हमें कुछ पढ़ाई के बारे में नॉलेज लेना होता है तो हम एक एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट में जाते हैं. बट द थिंग इज़ दैट जब अपने को सेल्फ डेवलप करना होता है तब अपने को इशू हो जाता है. येस वी हैव सम सोर्सेज लाइक हम बुक्स रीड कर सकते हैं, कुछ मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, बट द अगेन थिंग्स कम जब कुछ प्रैक्टिकली हमारे साथ होता है या फिर जब हम किसी को अपने सामने सुनते हुए बोलते हुए देखते हैं तो उसका इफेक्ट हमारे पे ज़्यादा होता है. एंड आज जो हमारा सेशन था, हमने निखिल सर को लाइव देखा, उनसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी. सो डेफिनेटली सर के साथ मैं हमेशा रहूँगी. जब सर मुझे आवाज़ देंगे, अगर आवाज़ ना भी दिए तो भी मैं दौड़ के आऊँगी. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि निखिल सर बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों को इतना आसान बना देते हैं कि आप कहेंगे कि इस चीज़ को सीखने के लिए हमें महीनों टाइम नहीं बर्बाद करना है। इवन हम इसको एक दिन में भी सीख सकते हैं। बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि सर ने शुरू किया है, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। और मेरे शब्दों पे आप मत जाओ, आओ आप क्लास करके देखो और उसके बाद खुद ही समझ पाओगे कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ।
You've shown new ways to people to progress in this pandemic. Like doctors are saviors. They have been warriors in this pandemic and they've helped so many people. You as a motivator, as an educator, have also helped those many people and more people to overcome this situation. Thank you, Nikhil, for all that you've done. And we wish you a great life with lots of positivity. You're a man with a heart of gold and you've been so kind and so helpful. May you keep helping more and more people, and I would definitely encourage you to do that. Please help more and more people overcome their situations and help them succeed in life and give them a lot of motivation, because that's what you always do.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है बलबीर कौर और मैं आज आपको एक कोर्स के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ। जी हाँ, मैंने एक कोर्स किया है मिस्टर निखिल नारायण सर जी का, जिसमें मैंने अपने करियर को यहाँ से यहाँ आते हुए देखा है। अगर आप कोई बिज़नेस भी कर रहे हैं तो आप ये कोर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। इससे आप अपने बिज़नेस को कहाँ से कहाँ तक पहुँचा सकते हैं, ये आप सोच भी नहीं सकते। छोटी से लेकर बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़ों पे कैसे कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हैं, वो इस कोर्स में बताया जाता है। और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैंने ये कोर्स किया, क्योंकि इस कोर्स से मेरा करियर बहुत आगे बढ़ा है। मेरा पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट इतना ज़्यादा हुआ है कि मैं अपने आसपास हर चीज़ में एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ देख सकती हूँ। अपनी हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन निकालने की पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ। और थैंक यू सो मच सर, मिस्टर निखिल नारायण सर, क्योंकि मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि दुनिया में ऐसी कोई डायरेक्टरी नहीं बनी है जिसमें कोई ऐसा शब्द हो जिससे मैं आपको थैंक्स कर सकूँ।